everybody, what's up? We're going to be going over the Bybit trading challenge right now, and the two challenges that they have, how you can take part of those challenges, and then Bitcoin's price action, what I think is going to be happening with Bitcoin right now. I'm going to post this in the Discord so we can have more people jump in on this. Let me just quickly get this going. So if you haven't yet, you can sign up to Bybit below. We're going to be doing these challenges, all the challenges that are, all the competitions that happen and go on Bybit. We definitely do them. They're free to play. You just need to have, a little bit of crypto on your account. I believe 0.01, 500 USDT. 0.32 ETH. So it looks like you just need to have minimum $500. That's not what you get charged. You just have to have that in the account, and then you can start taking part of these challenges. So I'm just posting this in the Discord. If you haven't yet, join our Discord. Like I said, we're doing our 100 ETH Bybit challenge, and I share my updates. I'm working on taking 7 ETH to 100. I'm currently at 9. I've been slacking a little bit because there's so much in the markets, from NFTs to the DeFi section to margin trading, that I need to take some time to really just dial in that 100 ETH challenge. And we're going to do that latest by the end of the year, but I definitely want to get it done a lot sooner than that. So let's get right into this. I'm going to start. The 7-day challenge is starting in a day, but I wanted to go over this challenge. It's the Supercharge Your Futures, because they came out with future contracts, and they have some awesome prizes. Not only do they have a $250,000 giveaway, so stand a chance to have your share of the 180 grand total prize. All you need to do is trade inverse futures and fulfill the trading requirement of the respective tier. The cat had to come down here while I was recording, and we put I'm just going to get her to go upstairs. Sorry about that. I doubt you guys want to hear a bell going at it every friggin' second. So, yeah, you guys will stand a chance to win 180 grand, but that's not the big ticket. Look at these 3 power cards: P&L reversal, double revenue, loss resistance. It's like a get out of free jail card when you're playing Monopoly. A P&L reversal. If you got a trading loss, let's say you lost a Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoins, 5 Bitcoins, you can go back up to a year and you can reverse that trade. And you can take back whatever was a negative P&L to positive P&L. Double revenue. If you had a huge trade, you can double that trade's revenue. Bybit's honestly, it's just crazy. I've never seen an exchange do this. Loss resistance. Get a free trade. All you have to do, you could go 50x leverage, 100x leverage, and you won't lose anything. So winning any of these 3 power cards is huge. Any one of them. I'll take any one of them. The P&L reversal or the loss resistance would be pretty dope, to be honest. Even the double revenue, not going to lie. You can make some pretty good gains with all these. And then if you want a live broadcast, watch the live broadcast, and you can win up to $10,000 in cryptocurrency. Let's move on to the 7-day challenge. They're doing these in series. So you can see Bybit 21 series 1. The next one's actually going to be in a few weeks after this. 7-day challenge, as you guys can read, we're at 10,000 participants, 200 grand total. It's going to be split between 200. It's going to be split between 200 winners, and every tier that we move on, we get more and more of a split for the prize pool. So more people can win. And the cat came back. Ooh, they want to go outside. They're so inside and out for a minute or two. Okay, I'm going to keep going. I'm not going to run back upstairs. So that's pretty much it for the challenge. If you want to join our Discord, we're always sharing Bitcoin, Ethereum updates. Bitcoin and Ethereum updates. And you guys can kind of just follow along with the not signals, but the analysis that we share. This is an awesome way to train your technical analysis, your trading strategies, and not only do that, but actually win some crypto as well. So let's get into Bitcoin. We're going to do a quick analysis as well. We have after this large move, we had this 4-hour downtrend, I guess mini downtrend, which is very normal because Bitcoin's been going at such a quick, pace that pullbacks are normal. We broke that downtrend here. Look at this huge candle on the 4-hour, broke it. And now we are creating higher highs and lower highs. We are creating the market structure that I want to see. The 4-hour is in an uptrend, which matches our daily, which matches our weekly, which matches our monthly. So that's what I love to see. What I saw on Twitter yesterday, you see this SWIC actually liquidated a lot of people. A lot of people are savagely over leveraged. And I saw Binance released a report that it said about 20% of their traders are trading at 100x leverage. I'm not even sure if that's spot on, because that's just nuts. 20% of traders are trading at 100x leverage. Every type of pullback we get hundreds of millions of dollars in liquidations. You can see here, if people follow the CME futures, we put a gap here, and a lot of people think we may be coming to test this gap. And it actually wouldn't break market structure. It would still be, we're putting it's right here. Our lower high here, our higher high at the time, higher high at the time, our lower high. If we came to test this gap and we bounced off of it, this would actually still be a lower high. And I can see us going to break all-time high and to keep moving. Historically, April's been an awesome month. If you watch my last technical analysis video on Bitcoin, my update, you had my first target at 66, and you can see how I got that in the video. And then my next target around 74K. So it wouldn't be crazy for this to come and fill this gap in, kind of test it, use it as support, and keep going. Not all gaps have been filled. Not all gaps will get filled, especially like on the bear market. We could definitely smash back down and break that. So overall, though, Bitcoin broke out of this, smaller downtrend. I am looking for a larger pullback. If we can get a pullback, which was 55K, if we're looking at the Bybit chart, 55K we had it at, right? So right here, actually, this red line to 54.5. So right here, and we can get, one of those longer wicks like here, right into the 200 EMA. So if that was the case, that is an awesome buy. And on the larger time frame, you see on the daily, this would actually look like just a normal pullback, a kind of a shakeout before we keep going. And I can definitely see that if, we come to test the support, we can definitely just blow off here and keep going above, especially since Ethereum's up 6%. Oh, okay. The day finished. It's up $6. I was like, it's up 6% today. Holy. Okay. But Ethereum is definitely crushing it as well. I'm going to go more into Bitcoin, and then we can, wander off onto Ethereum. So that is my quick analysis on Bitcoin. You have Willy Woo is here as well, which he's saying a time-lapse map of the price when coins last move, clusters of strong price discovery, 55K, 47K, and then he doesn't think 46.4K is the price of modeling that we won't visit again during this bull market. So he doesn't think that will crack below 47K. And when I look at that, I'm saying like maybe confirmed candles under there. A wick is definitely possible. You never can like determine how, so any very bearish news we get, or just a huge market sell-off, and we can wick down there. But I don't think that will actually trade below there, if that makes sense, and actually post candles there, on the daily, on the 4-hour and things like that. But a wick is possible, but I don't see us breaking below 50K either, to be honest. I don't think we'll break 50K under Bitcoin, and we've had a ton of time to buy the dip. So that goes into why he thinks that, and his equations, his his charts that he's built. He's honestly awesome. You got to follow Willy Woo. And that goes into the next one. This was yesterday before the pullback. And like when I woke up, people are like, oh, huge dump. And it's like, I hate when people post huge dump or huge pump. And it's like, bro, we only dropped like 1.52K. That's not a huge dump. Like, this is Bitcoin's spread. You got to get used to it. Same with somebody's like, Ethereum's pumping hard. This was like a few hours ago. And yeah, it is pumping hard, but it's like, you know, when you say that, I think like we're breaking all-time high. You can see we're testing this resistance right here. We might get some sort of pullback. This would be an awesome area to test. And maybe we could go long since we're trying to make that 100 ETH. If you haven't joined now, join our 100 ETH Bybit challenge. We share, you know, honestly, pretty much signals. We're using MSR for you guys to follow along. You can see short, long, 15 minutes long currently. You would have added here on that nice pullback and your stop loss wouldn't have got hit. So we're moving back into Bitcoin. And I was talking about that pullback. This was yesterday. Willy Woo posted this yesterday and he's like, these are the liquidations. So he's like, you can see here, a ton got liquidated. I believe that was $1 billion $1 billion plus got liquidated across all exchanges. And then here's like, this is like a walk in the park, a walk in the forest, and you stop hearing the birds chirping. You know, there's something, you know, something big's gonna happen. And we had that small wick pullback, and it actually did liquidate, I think maybe $200 million, but I don't think that was, so if it was about $200 million, okay, so the line would go about right here, because that was last night. He called that on point. You see, yep, and there's the liquidation from 21 hours. And there's the liquidation. But if we got that further pullback into the 55K, we would definitely wipe out a lot of over leveraged traders, and we'd have a larger liquidation, probably activate a ton of short sells, and we can start moving up to the long side to wipe those short sellers after they wipe the longs. And that's just the market for you. So that's it for today. We just want to do a quick update on the Bybit challenge. Huge opportunity. Like, these 3 cards are huge. And if you rank #1 on any of these challenges, you have a huge bag you could win. And honestly, you're just growing your trading skills and getting that experience on the chart. So that's pretty much it. Also, we're going to be reviewing as many IDOs as we can before they hit TGE, so Uniswap. So we're going to be reviewing IDOs that are at the seed, angel, public, private rounds, so we can get in, because IDOs have been doing awesome. So make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subs, and we're probably going to do a giveaway. So make sure you're around here if you want to win some crypto or whatever we decide to give away. Thank you guys for watching.